Hello friends, today we are going to discuss responsibility matrices, that is linear responsibility chart. Responsibility matrices or LRC, this is nothing but the scheduling tool or technique with the help of that a project manager or project leader can easily manage their activities and or tasks, and what kind of who is responsible and who is responsible and supporting person to perform the assigned task, perform the assigned activities. Okay, now we are going to discuss these things in detail. Responsibility matrix, it is also called as a linear responsibility chart. It summarizes the task to be accomplished and who is responsible for what on the project. It lists project activities and participants. It clarifies critical interfaces between units and individuals that need coordination. It provides and means for all participants to view their responsibilities and agree on their assignment. It clarifies the extent or type of authority that can be exercised by each participant. Now, next one is uh, what is LRC? Effective project management requires decision that focus on both what and on who. Yes, exactly what we already discussed. Who is responsible for what activity? After making what decision about deliverables and project timeline, the last step before starting the project is create a linear responsibility chart. It is also called a LRC. It identifies who is responsible for core project activities, actions, and decisions. Linear responsibility chart functions and objectives. Without clearly defining who is accountable for what in a project, an imbalance of responsibilities often occurs. Yes, exactly. If we started a project and even we don't know that as a higher authorities or project leader or project manager who is responsible to perform resource what we can say that resource requirement analysis, planning, design, implementation. So this is the main important tool and technique. With the help of that we can easily find out that who is responsible for what kind of activities or tasks. Not only can this cause problems within the project team, it also can affect the entire project timeline. Yes, exactly. A linear responsibility chart establishes a clear structure which assign and keep track of who is doing what. Yes, we already discussed earlier that who is responsible for what kind of activities. It's a vital for clarifying working relationship, making sure there are no gaps in the work breakdown structure. This is the example of responsibility matrices of market research project. Here we have different tasks and project team has researched and etc. So the tasks are identify target customer, develop a draft questionnaire, pilot test questionnaire, finalize questionnaire, so and so. So for first task, identify target customer. Richard is responsible and Dan and other persons are supporting person. Okay, that is for linear responsibility chart. Thank you.